Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 10-minute Cumbia based workout. Alrighty guys, we're gonna start on the spot. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Just getting that rhythm in our feet, in our knees, in our hips, in our bodies. Very good. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And back, and back, and back. Very good. Keep this up. Keep going. And back on the spot. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna open up. Go. So right now, we are just opening up a quarter of a turn. And back on the spot. Very good. Next time, we are going to open up half of a turn. Get ready. Here we go. And back, 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 back. Half of a turn. Very good. Back on the spot. Keep it up. Get ready. We're still on the spot. We're gonna put everything together. Here we go. Back. 5, 6, 7, a quarter of a turn. Go. 5, 6, 7. Get ready for a half of a turn. And back on the spot, go. Very good. We're gonna cross in front, front. And back on the spot. Very good. Get ready. And back to that basic. And let's open it up. Quarter of a turn. And half of a turn. And get ready and cross. And back on the spot. Very good. We're gonna do this. We're gonna go and back, turn, and back, turn, and back, turn, stop, 6, 7, go. Back, turn, and stop. Very good. Back on the spot. Get ready. From the beginning. Here we go. And back. 5, 6, 7. Let's turn. And stop. Alrighty guys, let's restart that again. Adding those turns to the whole routine. Get ready, we're on the spot. 5, 6, on the spot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And quarter of a turn. 5, 6, 7. Half of a turn. And cross. And now we're gonna do that turn. We go back, turn, back, turn, back, turn, and stop. Get ready. Other side and back, turn, back, turn, back, turn, and stop. From the beginning, on the spot. 5, 6, 7, here we go, and back. 5, 6, 7, quarter of a turn. 6, 7, get ready, half of a turn. Ready? Cross it in front. Get ready? We go back, turn, back, turn, back, turn, and stop. 6, 7, here we go, and back, turn, back, turn, back, turn, 5, 6, on the spot, go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, here we go, and back. Quarter of a turn, here we go. Half of a turn. And cross it in front. Cross and cross and cross. I'm still vibing. And stop. Very good. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.